Hello everyone, I'm student of CRS Info Solutions. So earlier I researched about many Salesforce training institute, and there in most of the articles I found that Salesforce training is being given best by CRS Info Solutions. And later after attending these all sessions, I realized that that statement is true, because CRS Info Solution is the best training institute I feel for the Salesforce development training. And what I felt best is starting from the demo classes where I have no idea about Salesforce, but all the things are being taught from very scratch and in a very good way, so that a beginner can understand it very well. And the trainer is so good. How he teaches is the good way, like all the topics are being taught step by step with a good number of assignments, and that hands-on assignments which are being given is the best way to increase or enhance the skills which are being required for real-time projects. And all these hands-on, all the assignments, all the topics, and the class notes which are given are very effective and very helpful for every student, so that they can learn very well for their future and for their jobs. And one thing more good is, like, after training there has been resume building preparation, mock interview, pre-placement assistance. So these all things are not given by other Salesforce institutes. So what I felt is, these all the things are being clubbed together, and these are a part of a training which helps a student to grow their future in Salesforce. And I'm very grateful to be a student of a CRS Info Solution. And I recommend everyone should, those who are going to take Salesforce training, must have CRS Info Solution as their training institute. Thank you.